Okay, so we're going to show you how to light the oven today. Okay, so I'll start with a beer box, just wide enough for the mouth of the oven. Then when we build our stack, we can push it in without the wood falling off. Just makes things a bit easier. So we've got a bit of a stack going on there. So in the gaps we're going to put some newspapers. Right, so as you can see in the gaps I've put the newspapers. I've put some bigger bits of wood on the top, and that goes all the way back in the stack. And then we're going to push this back using the box. Okay, so we've got the lid, and gently push this back. And there you go, your stack's ready. So it's just ready to light, which we'll do shortly. So we're about an hour in now. This is at least 300, 350 degrees at the minute. We just need to keep going. Basically what you're looking for is the black soot to turn sort of white, which will be at least another hour, an hour and a half. So just keep putting the wood on, keep building the fire up, and then once we hit, I'll show you with a laser gun when we start hitting our temperatures, and then we'll start bringing it down. Okay, if you look up now you can start to see it. It's starting to turn white at the edges and then in the back. So look at the reading at the minute. It says 800 degrees Fahrenheit. And on that side about the same. Floor is about 600. So I'm going to take it to 1000 degrees. And then I'm going to let it reduce down, and then we'll take most of these out and put them in the ash bucket. I'll show you how to clean out and stuff, and then we'll go from there. Right, so we're going to let that reduce down now. It's all white inside, so it's at about 900 to 1000 degrees, and then we'll take all the embers out and we'll clear it out next. Of the oven, I've used the launch and peel to take them out, and I'll show you what's left. So it's quite clear. And I've used this, the pizza brush, to brush everything back. Now we're going to wrap this in a wet tea towel and we're going to wash the floor. Wrapped a wet tea towel around the pizza brush, and then we're just going to brush your cooking area just to pick up any bits of soot.